cars around now. We're looking for cars.
We're on a car hunt today.
What were we doing? We were looking for a Mustang convertible.
Yeah, we found it all right. We found the freaking Star of Deliverance. And his dog needed a dental program. His dog had buck teeth. He had buck teeth, and his wife had no teeth.
Oh, dog needed braces. Well,
Well, you guys don't have nothing to say when the camera's on?
no, we're quiet.
We're always quiet. They ever speak.
Don't drink this.
That shit smells like ass.
Even though I finished mine.
It's your breath blowing back in your face.
That shit is lousy. Lousy. Look, here, let me give you all smell-o-vision.
Oh, like it's made out of Porta-John water. Water with a D.
Oh, God, that's lousy. When you get a big bottle of this and you're thirsty, just make sure you hold your nose when you take a drink. It's horrible. Oh, God.
Make sure you buy a bottle of water to wash it down with. Woo! Man. Well,
I thought Benny needed to check his drawers.
there's a dead raccoon on the road.
That's a piece of rust.
Part of that Mustang.
Probably was. How'd that song go again there?
I don't
Mr.
know. I
Clip?
done forgot the words.
Try that again.
Mr. Johnson's
Right there, it
only
sits.
dog. I see it. Fairlane. Yes.
That's ugly.
No, but that could be fixed up. Nice car.
Put a little 5-speed in there and look small block Chevy, make it run right. Oh boy.
Show your find there
Yeah, let me get to
on
it.
Jim's Outdoor Adventures.
Yeah.
More
Jim's-
stuff for outdoors.
Jimmy's
Adventures.
Adventures Outdoors.
Adventures.
Outdoor Adventures with James. Yeah, I'll get it right.
What's your name? Is it starting?
Adventurous stuff with
Does he got a
Jimmy.
name tag? Are you like Woody's toy? You got to make sure your name is on the
paper.
bottom of your foot in case you wander off.
Adventurous stuff with Jimmy.
Adventurous stuff with Jimmy. There's dead.
Dead
Dead deer.
Ooh,
Taking a nap on the
Had
white
some good
line.
hams left on
it's a
it.
bad place to sleep.
I don't know why they want to sleep on the line all the time.
Really. Well, we're still looking for cars. Haven't found any yet.
Does your Ford suffer from rusty cow syndrome? Ours seem to all the time.
Hear a little blast, and next thing you know, oh, that bitch needs a cow.
How in the world did all that rust get on
Rusty cow syndrome.
there? Hold on a minute. I just about got it.
What's that contraption? Are you
Look at this thing.
Look at
What the
that.
hell is that?
Put your paper plates and knives, forks, spoons, and whatever. And hold your paper plates.
What cemetery did you get that out of?
$5.
Don't listen to him. I think he got out of the cemetery. Had flowers in it.
And
Didn't
a
it?
napkin
Napkin
tray
holder.
for your picnic. Look at that.
Nice.
$5 for both of them. Yep, we do it all here. At the Bloated Toad Garage. And adventurous stuff with Jimmy. Look me up. I need all the help I can get.
In the back.
Sponsored by Arizona Tea. It's not only good for you.
Yeah. If you're having a bad day, drink a bottle.
Just don't sniff it. It smells like ass.
You know, if you wake up and you're not feeling well, you won't feel any better when you drink this.
That shit stinks.
If you think you're having a bad day, crack
Yes.
one of these bad boys open.
That shit's
Woo.
nasty. Oh my God.
It's just green tea with honey.
It's got something, got honey or something, honey do-wag in it. It's what it's got.
Tastes like it's made with outhouse water.
Smells like it come out of the outhouse.
Mr. Johnson's only daughter got married to my dad. They had 5 children, and this is what they had. They had 1 boy, 2 boys, 3 boys, 4 boys, and a daughter.
Oh Lord,
And that's why I'm here today.
you're gonna have to work on that.
Okay. Mr. Johnson's only
Now meet
daughter
at the
is
same
back.
day.
Okay. I'll be working on that
You're
song.
working on that.
You need to
Yeah.
break out your harmonica when you sing.
Yeah.
Oh,
I
yeah.
don't know how to play it.
I know how to sing either,
Times
but
with
what's the
Jimmy
difference?
and harmonica.
Take singing
Adventures.
lessons before I try again.
Jimmy's adventurous lyrics
Yeah.
with Big Jim.
With a harmonica.
Oh my God! Feel these turns?
I think I get sick. I might have to drink some of this green tea.
That's because you. Oh God!
Oh, there's my phone.
Ugh. Never again. Never again.
2 for $4.50.
What is that? What is that special ingredient in there? Is it
Yeah.
ass juice?
Strained toilet water.
Strained colonoscopy juice.
Little mixture of, does that say urine?
Hey, should we stop by Wildebeest Garage?
Let's see if he's out. We're getting ready to go by his garage
Yep.
down
Okay,
here.
we're coming up on Wildebeest Garage.
Oh, my.
Is it Wildebeest?
Wildebeest Garage.
Will the Beast?
I think it's Wildebeest.
Will W Beast?
Wildebeest.
Wildebeest. Gotcha. Garage.
He's got
Coming up on it.
He's got too many damn Fords.
Yeah, yes he does. And he wants me to fix them. I got enough work to last me 10 years on this stuff. Let's
We'll stop if he's out. Nobody in the side
It's
yard.
like that.
Nope. Doors
Jesus
down.
Christ, they got a yard full of dead Fords.
Imagine that.
We'll be fixing rust.
Is he doing what?
Sandblast.
No, one thing sandblasting gets you is rusty cow syndrome.
Yeah. That's that famous beer.
Rusty cow beer.
Yeah.
All right, fellas. We're almost
Well, we're
at our
back in the
stop.
hometown.